Chichal se ching ching chan and tian chang chang iran chigwa tabalicha. Chichal se ching ching chan tian chang chang iran chigwa tabalicha. Another one. Chichal se ching ching chan tian chang chang iran chigwa tabalicha.
Igro Vlogs.
Hello there guys, welcome to Ikarao Vlogs. Today I will be sharing to you some of the information of the Ikarao language. I am inspired by the post of one of the municipal councilors of Bokod, Benguet, Attorney Eric Don Ignacio. Ikarao language is one of the languages in the Cordillera Region. This is spoken by the Ikarao people living in Karao, Bokod, Benguet. Now, I will be featuring also the CH sound of the Ikarao language. So I will be giving a sentence like Chichal che ching ching chanun tiyan chang chang iran chigwa chabalicha. Chichal che ching ching chanun tiyan chang chang iran chigwa chabalicha. Another one. Chichal che ching ching chan tiyan chang chang iran chigwa chabalicha. In English, the translation of that in English in context is that they destroyed their walls when they were warming themselves in their house fireplace. I guess my fellow Ikaraos will give a better translation on that. Comment down below so your host, your vlogger will read the translation. Another trivia for the Ikarao language is that it has the TH sound. It has the TH sound as in bato or stone in English, mata or ice in English. If you want another video featuring the Ikarao language, just comment down below. Let me know your comments. Let me know your reaction on this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys.
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.